कितने लोग
Today's trek was to Sudhagad, which lies in the Raigad district of Maharashtra. I started my journey towards Kurla station, from where I caught the 5:45 am train to Panvel.
That's good.
At Panvel station, I met three of my friends who would accompany me on this trek. On platform number 6, we boarded the 7 am passenger which was heading towards Savantwadi. The train was delayed by half an hour. As soon as we got out of Panvel, we were greeted by greenery all over. At around 9:15 am, we alighted at Nagotne station and after asking a few locals, took a private vehicle to Pali. Maharashtra was receiving a heavy downpour since last couple of days, and this region was no exception. As we reached Pali, we headed towards the ST stand and got to know the next bus to Thakurwadi was at 10:45 am. The way towards Thakurwadi village is scenic with multiple paddy fields and small water streams. 30 minutes into the bus ride, we could see the first glimpse of Sudhagad. There is a yellow board which gives a clear indication from where to begin the trek.
Hey, hi, it's like 30 minutes into the climb. We just crossed two staircases and we reached here. So today this is a trek which we are doing for Sudhagad, which is via Thakurwadi, and I'm doing with three of my friends.
Hello.
That's that's Nikhil, that's Swaroop, and that's Adnan there. So yeah, I don't think it's quite a small trek. Actually, you can already see the summit there. So I think so. In another 45 minutes, we should be up. I don't know, but then let's see.
As we continued, we soon found ourselves surrounded with mist and small waterfalls which had been created due to the rains. At 1:40 pm, we had reached Sudhagad. It had taken us 1.5 hours to reach here. As soon as we reached up, we found ourselves in between the clouds. The first place we visited was the Siddheshwar Mandir. A small distance away from it is a lake. There are many places to see here on the fort. We were soon greeted with some awesome scenery. It's things like this that makes a trek worthwhile. As we moved ahead, we came across this 17th century Wada. The last time I was here, we had stayed here overnight and had a lot of fun. After a little bit of more walking, we visited the Borai Devi Mandir, which is the patron goddess of Sudagarh. And then what we seen was just mesmerizing. We could briefly see Tailabaila in the distance, engulfed in clouds. On our way back, we visited the Chor Dindi, where we refilled our water bottles before we made our way back.
Hey, hi guys, it's around 2:40. Didn't get to vlog much today because there is quite a bit of rain. So we have to catch actually a 4:45 p.m. bus from Pali. So we are rushing a bit because then after that the bus is at around 6:30 and we will not be getting a connecting bus to Mumbai.
It was around 4 pm when we had reached out. Sudagarh was a very scenic trek and it was way more beautiful in this season than when I had visited it in the winter. We were very lucky enough to get a lift to Pali, from where we took a 5:30 pm bus to Khopoli and then another bus from there to Panvel, and then finally making our way into the train